Hello, I'm Mam Edz Gamboa. In this video, we will try to differentiate elements from a compound. So what is the difference between elements and compounds? Element is the simplified form of matter which cannot be decomposed by ordinary chemical means. It is composed of only one kind of atom. One atom is equal to one element. Example, oxygen, gold, iron, hydrogen, and so many more. There are 118 elements in a periodic table of elements. Elements are represented by symbols written in capital letter or capital and small letter. A horizontal row of elements is called, while the vertical column of elements are called group or family. This is the periodic table of elements. Vertical column represents the group family, and the horizontal row represents the period. So, how are elements named? Most common elements use the first letter of their name. H, hydrogen, O, oxygen, N, nitrogen, C, carbon, S, sulfur, I, iodine. Some elements has the same initial letter as another element. Then the symbol used is the first and the second letter. He, helium. Bi, bismuth. Ni, nickel. Co, cobalt. Si, silicon. In, indium. If the first two letters are the same with another element, then the first letter and the first consonant will be used. Cl, chlorine. Mn, manganese. Cr, chromium. And Mg, magnesium. Some symbols look different because they came from a Greek or Latin name. Examples are sodium, natrium, copper, cuprum, potassium, kalium, gold, aurum, silver, argentum, iron, ferrum, and mercury, hydrargyrum. Some elements are originated from a country: germanium, americium, polonium, and francium. So let us have some drill. Lithium, boron, fluorine, tin, calcium, californium, tungsten, vanadium, gallium, and mercury. Now let's go to compounds. Compounds is a substance in which two or more elements are chemically combined. It is composed of two or more atoms. Examples: table salts, NaCl, carbon dioxide, CO2. When two or more different elements combine, they form a compound. The smallest unit of a compound is called a molecule. For example, the elements sodium and chlorine combine, they form the compound sodium chloride, commonly known as salt. So we have here more examples of compound. So we have water, salt, sugar, carbon dioxide, and rust. Alright, another example of compounds. Let us identify the element present in each of the following compounds. 1. Salt. Given the formula, so what are the elements present? Yes, it is sodium and chlorine. Next is sugar. Alright, given the following formula, what are the elements present? Yes, it's carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. So let's go to number 3, vinegar. So vinegar is given the following formula. Alright, the elements present are carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. And the last is baking soda. Okay, as sodium, hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen. Okay, now let's take another example. Let us classify the following materials as elements or compound. Muriatic acid, mhm, compound. Table sugar, yes, it is a compound. Copper wire, it is an element. Silver bracelet there, it is an element. How about the baking soda? Okay, so it is a compound. Let us have more examples. Ethyl alcohol. Yes, it is a compound. How about glucose? Again, it is a compound. How about the gold ring that we wear? Yes, it is an element. Aluminum foil that we use in the kitchen. Okay, and the liquid nitrogen used in cryogenics. It is element. Now, let us play some mnemonics. Come on, at Lina's Cafe. Observe the elements present. Okay, carbon, molybdenum, nitrogen, lithium, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, calcium, and iron. Another example of mnemonics is I am cute. So that is from the word iodine, americium, copper, and tellurium. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Until the next time, good day class. This is your Mam Edz Gamboa, your science teacher.